Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to go live on Instagram using an Android phone. Going live is a great way to interact with your followers in real time, answer questions, or share updates instantly. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device and log in to your account. Okay, step 1. Open the Create menu. Once you're inside the app, tap the plus icon at the bottom or top of the screen. This will open the Content Creation menu where you can create posts, stories, reels, or go live. Step 2. Select the Live option. Now, swipe through the options at the bottom until you see Live. Tap on Live to open the live streaming screen. Here, you'll be able to adjust a few settings before starting your broadcast. Step 3. Add a title if optional. Before going live, you can tap Add Title and write a short description about what your live stream is about. This helps viewers understand the topic before they join. Step 4. Start the live stream. When you're ready, tap the Go Live button. Instagram will take a few seconds to connect, and then your live broadcast will start. Your followers may receive a notification letting them know that you are live. Step 5. Interact with viewers. While streaming, you can read and reply to comments, invite a friend to join your live, pin important comments, use filters if you want. This helps keep your audience engaged during the broadcast. Step 6. End the live. When you're finished, tap the End button in the top corner. After ending the stream, Instagram may give you the option to share the live video to your profile or archive it so people can watch it later. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to go live on Instagram using an Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.